Jab, jab, babe. Make sure you get him with the 1-2s, babe. Good. Stay there. Keep it on him, Salon. Get a better
Shut
view.
up.
Good.
Daddy, you're Vishnu's coach and I'm base coach.
Shut up.
That wasn't nothing. Come on. You're going to hit your head there if you weave the wrong way. That's why I got you in this little... Yes, don't do that. Good. Why hitting him so hard?
Sorry.
Why you doing that? First y'all was going better. You were doing better with him. Good. That's what Good.
Hey, I'm getting ready. I'll fight the dog.
That's good for you guys. Keep going. So what? Hey, keep going. Keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Good jab, eh? You're doing good. So what? How old are you? 6?
7.
Oh, good. So what? You don't know what he's doing. He's short. And Vishnu kind of knows what he's doing a little bit already. Do you got it? Do you got it? Looks a little sloppy in the house. You recording this? You can't see me though. Good. Babe, get back vicious. Get back to your orthodox.
She's putting on your shoes or something.
So what? Hit him, babe. Why you looking? Sorry. How many lumps you want? Oh, 3 or 4. You gotta catch him. It's not about speed. It's about timing. You gotta time him. Timing. Good jab. Good jab, babe. You know what? Good. At least you starting. Keep going. Wait. Catch him in between. Where's your hook? When he's punching, you gotta throw a hook, babe. Yes, behind your gloves. Throw a hook behind your gloves, babe. Come back. Throw a hook behind your gloves. Throw a hook behind your gloves, babe. No. A left hook. Don't throw a right hook. Throw a left hook. Like weave. Pay attention to some of the punches he's throwing. Pay attention to some of the punches he's throwing. Pay attention to some of the punches he's throwing.
What?
Come on, yeah. Keep your hands up, babe. And punch behind your gloves. See where your hands are at? That looks good. That looks good when you're doing that. Don't throw him wild, though. Throw him straight. Like, go to his body. Go, throw an uppercut to his body. Throw an uppercut. Right. No. Hide. You got to lean that way. You don't want to throw it right. But you got to, better than that. Way better than that, too. Nope. Because you'll get caught. Throw it from your face. Throw it from your face. Yes. Bring it back to your face, quick. No, when you throw the uppercut. Let him do it, Vishnu. Because you can catch him. You already know what you can do. Bring it back to your face real quick. No, dip. Bend your knees and go like this. Bring it back to your face and drop. Look, go like this, look. Wow.
Just fight.
No, look, okay.
Do it in high-speed action.
All right, just go in high-speed action.
Fight.
Both of y'all. Don't drop him. Don't hit him so hard, though, Vishnu.
You
Okay,
can't
because he's
push
taller than you. Good, go. Punch, babe. Punch, babe. Punch. babe. Punch in between. Just punch. Where's your left hook? And straight up. Good. I like your right hand, babe. Good. Babe guys, good form. Vishnu, lean. Pull forward this way a little bit. Lean your chin forward. No, lean forward a little bit. Take his punch. Take a punch from him. Punch him. Just punch him. No, because look, don't lean back.
Fight.
Lean forward. Just lean forward. Pull that foot up a little bit, Vishnu. Just a
Fight.
little bit. Fight, go. But lean your chin. You lean your chin back. Don't worry about his punch, because you know you can hit harder than him.
Fight.
But he's probably gonna hit you hard.
Stop hitting his gloves.
Lean your chin forward, Vishnu. He knows how to punch. Babe, don't get mad. Do you got it, Vishnu? Salon? Good. Why you getting mad? Why you getting sad when you hit him? In a small space. You can't move no further. Go. Where's your left? Good job, though, babe. Somebody, your height. Go to the body. Get up. Go to the body, babe. Go to the body, babe. Go to the body. Uppercut. Right. Nope. Work on it. You got to weave and go to the body. Let him, because he know what he doing. No. Stop it. Cuz.